Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday, happy volatile Monday. Mike Bakke, Princetontrader for NakedTrader.com with this morning's pre-market webcast. So, let's see, Friday we closed at 1340.75. We opened up 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, down 18 handles right off the bat. We bottomed out right at 1322 on debt ceiling, rumors, issues. Do we have a deal? Do we not have a deal? We'll get into that before we're done, but let's talk about what the E-mini is doing right now. We bottomed out at 1322. We went up 10 handles from there. A perfect 10 handle rule that we talk about all the time on the Mr. Top Step IM, and we were on it again last night. I know that Jill here at Naked Trader has tweeted out and discussed that there's trials available or going to be available for the IM. So, I mean, if you do this all day, if you trade futures, you definitely want to check that out. So we did the 10 handles up to 1332, and we've been bouncing around a little bit between 26 and 32. There's a little bit of support there at the 9-day pivot, 1326.58. I mentioned last week two levels that if you're long, you really got to be careful of, questioning whether those longer term positions are going to be profitable for you over a period of time. The first level I talked about was 1322, 1323. The second level I talked about was 1315. Well, we stopped dead on that first level. So you need to be a little bit leery here about what's happening. We're currently trading 1330 half. That's off 10 3/4 handles from Friday, and here we are again. What are we holding overnight? You know, I haven't been holding anything overnight, and this is exactly why. These massive gap ups, massive gap downs. The gap up and gap downs are just about 50-50. Some days we gap up big, some days we gap down. Really hard to hold anything overnight. You're really flipping a coin at 4 o'clock, trying to decide where the gap is going to be the next day. And since any time two people in Washington get in a room and the word deal comes out, we jump 10 handles. Or when they come out later and say, well, there is no deal, we drop 10 handles. That's a lot of whipsaw in there. So just be careful with what you're holding overnight, and please be hedged. Looking at today, support and resistance levels. On the upside, so we're trading 1330 even right now. On the upside, 1332 is the first level we've really got to get over. 1334 half. After that, that's the 3-day pivot, and a gap fill sits up there at 1340.75, and that is right on the daily pivot of 1340.52. So 3 levels to look at on the upside. On the downside, you really want to see this market first of all hold 26. Then we get back to last night's low, 1322, and then you've got a support zone between 1315 and 1317. That's the 20-day pivot, 45-day pivot, the 78% retrace of the 1354 to 1291 move, and that's also Thursday's low. And I should also mention that the 22 level that we stopped at, that's a 50% retrace of 1354 half to 1291.25. So we didn't just stop there out of the blue. I mean, there's a fib level there that needs to be respected. So like I said, careful with what you're holding overnight. If you're trading during the day, set stops. Try to stay at your desk. I mean, you're going to have meetings coming here, there, and everywhere. A lot of rumor, a lot more rumor than fact coming out of Washington. You know, what else is new? So just be careful with what you're trading during the day, and watch 22 and watch the 15 level. Have a great trading day. Mike Bakke, Princeton Trader for NakedTrader.com, and I'll be back tomorrow morning. Have a good day.